Hello folks, in this video, we'll show you how to set up Duo push notifications in the Jenkins 2FA plugin. Please ensure first that the 2FA is enabled. The admin needs to click on the Duo push notification toggle to enable the method. To save configurations, the admin must first sign up for Duo and enter their credentials in the admin panel. To set up this method smoothly, please refer to the guide. This will redirect you to the page shown here. The admin needs to sign up and then log in to the admin panel of Duo using the highlighted links. This is what the Duo admin panel looks like. The admin needs to click on Add New and create a new application. They then need to add an app, which is highlighted. They can either keep the default name or change the name according to their liking. Select Enable for all users to allow access and proceed. The admin needs to then copy these credentials and paste it in our 2FA plugin. After pasting them in the plugin, admin needs to save the configurations. After saving the configurations, navigate to the User Management tab. The admin can enable two-factor authentication for individual users. Alternatively, admins can bulk enable 2FA by selecting multiple users or all users and clicking on Apply Action. Duo Push is now set up. Let's see how inline registration appears to users. When the user logs in for the first time after the 2FA method has been configured, they will need to enter their username and password, which serves as the first factor of authentication. After that, when the user clicks on Sign In, they will be prompted with Configure Two-Factor page. The user had to configure Duo push notification. They will then have to click on Get Started. Here we have selected Duo Mobile for reference. After entering phone number, the user then has to click on Continue to register their number. Then the user has to click on Send me a passcode to receive the passcode. After entering the passcode and verifying it, the user needs to scan the QR code in Duo mobile app. The user clicks on Continue to finalize device registration. Now the user has been successfully registered in Duo. Let's now see how the user flow looks once the inline registration is completed. When the user logs in for the first time after the 2FA method has been configured, they will need to enter their username and password, which serves as the first factor of authentication. After that, when the user clicks on Sign In, after clicking Send Me Notification button, user will receive a notification on Duo mobile app. After approving from the mobile app, user will be successfully logged in Jenkins. And that's how the entire Duo push notification 2FA flow works in the Jenkins 2FA plugin.